In this video, I'll show you how to share Grok AI chats in 2026. Sharing a Grok conversation can be useful when you want to show an AI response, share ideas with someone, or let another person view a specific conversation. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside Grok, open the conversation that you want to share. Find the chat from your conversation history and click on it to open the full conversation. Now look for a share option or sharing icon in the chat interface. Depending on the current version of Grok, the location and appearance of this option may be different. Click the share option to see the available sharing choices. If Grok provides a shareable link, review the information shown before creating or copying the link. Before sharing a conversation, carefully check the content. Make sure the chat does not contain private information, passwords, personal details, confidential business information, or anything else you do not want other people to see. If the sharing feature allows you to control what is visible, review those options and select the appropriate settings. Once you are ready, create or copy the share link if that option is available. You can then paste the link into an email, message, social media post, or another communication platform. The person receiving the link may be able to view the shared conversation